Ron Demko, and I'm an applications engineer for AVX, and I'm here at EDS in Las Vegas to introduce two new products that we have in the circuit protection world. The first product is a miniature AC Varistor that's as small as an 0402 for a two-element part or an 0603 device for a single element part. So these devices are basically the equivalent of a back-to-back diode with a capacitor in their off state, and their most common use would be in immobilizers for automobiles. They're AEC Q200 qualified, or in other cases they may be useful in some AC applications which are small power. From a characterization point of view, we characterize them at 110 volts peak to peak at a frequency of 125 kilohertz. The devices could take a 25 kV ESD human body model, and in the off state, as we said, they're an EMI filter. This circuit is, or this application slide shows their use in immobilizer circuits where there's an automobile inductor wake-up link to some key, and our device is commonly used on the protection for the scheme for the pickup coils. And this slide shows our specification of the device, essentially showing the single element or the dual element device. The other device that we have to introduce is a FlexRay communications bus component, and these are available in an 0402 case size. The concept that we're using here is that the Varistor acts like a back-to-back Zener diode in the on state, and in the off state it acts as an EMC filter capacitor. So the FlexRay component has a capacitance that's tuned for FlexRay communications buses, commonly 17 picofarads. The applications, of course, are really mainly automotive or communications bus. These devices are tested to 25 kV. They have a high 8 by 20 amperage surge capability, and they have a very good failure rate, less than 0.1 failures per billion hours. We have a schematic diagram of the CAN bus layout and the FlexRay layout in this slide, and AVX is continuing to develop other products for CAN bus as well as FlexRay circuit protection. For more information, visit avx.com.